Hey everyone, Mike DiDonato here from Fireman Canada, and today we'll be learning how to run a cleaning cycle on the Jura D6. What you're going to need to complete this process is the Jura cleaning tablets, which are available in a 6 and 25 pack. In addition, pro tip, it's nice to use a container to catch all the spent water from the central spouts. You'll know it's time to clean your machine when you're going to have a little raindrop symbol on the bottom of the unit. This is just below that central dial. To start the process, you're going to click and hold that button. At this stage, the first thing the machine will ask you to do is empty the tray. You're going to remove the tray, empty anything that's inside of it, and put it back on the machine. At this stage, you're going to want to put your receptacle under the main spouts and wait. Eventually, the machine will ask you to add a tablet. You're going to open the pre-ground bypass, insert one cleaning tablet, close it, and then press and hold that rinse button one more time. The machine will now begin to clean the brewing unit, and it'll run all the spent water with any stale coffee grounds or oils or fats back into that container. Once this is done, it'll ask you to empty the tray one more time, and you've completed the cleaning process. Thanks for watching how to clean the Jura D6. Don't forget to check out our Instagram at @Fireman_Canada for some cool and fun content, and www.fireman.safe for all your cleaning and maintenance product needs.